Another function which can make life a little bit more easy, or can make user interfaces in Excel more easy to read, is the IFERROR function. Let's have a look at the following situation. We do have a table and we would like to look up for certain values. And of course, what we are going for is our famous VLOOKUP function. We have our lookup value and we do have our array. We are looking for the second value and we are looking for an exact match. Easy going. 1, 2, 3 is related to the name Meyer. However, what happens if we enter a 555? Then we get an error message, and this is a little bit nasty. Maybe you would like to have some more information what's happening. And here, if error comes into the game. If I'll enter the if error around this VLOOKUP, then if VLOOKUP delivers a correct result, if there is no fault, then it's simply this value is shown. In the other case, if VLOOKUP is faulty in a way, then I can enter, for example, another message like unknown student, which is maybe more helpful than the thing we have had before. Sorry for the misspelling in here. So if I enter 1, 2, 3, Meyer is found, 2, 3, 4, Miller is found, and if I enter something else, we have an unknown student. In this case, we have nested formulas. You can either build nested formulas from the inside to the outside or from the outside to the inside. In here, my recommendation would be first do the inner formula VLOOKUP and then use the IFERROR around it to make it a little bit more safe or to improve the robustness of the user interface.